In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to get upgrade Grok account to SuperGrok. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is navigate to the website grok.com, provide your credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you'll be directed to this kind of page. Now at the bottom right, you're going to find this kind of pop-up, SuperGrok. Click on the option upgrade. This will take you to the subscription options page. From here, choose the SuperGrok plan, as this is the option that unlocks enhanced capabilities and premium features. After selecting the plan, pick your preferred payment method. Noting that some banks may offer cashback benefits, then carefully enter your payment details. Finally, click subscribe to confirm the upgrade, and once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation showing that your account has been successfully upgraded to SuperGrok, giving you immediate access to all the advanced features included in the plan. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.